Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the physical and software prerequisites so nothing blocks the process. Open Device Manager and look for Bluetooth or a USB radio. This proves the adapter is recognized. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off and the Bluetooth toggle in settings is enabled. If you use a USB dongle, plug it into a different port to rule out a dead jack. These steps remove basic hardware and power issues before we change drivers or settings. Next, focus on drivers and system services because most connection failures come from outdated or corrupted drivers. Run Windows Update and check optional updates for Bluetooth stacks. In Device Manager, right-click the adapter to update the driver. If that fails, uninstall and reboot to force Windows to reinstall. Then open Services and set Bluetooth Support Service to Automatic and start it if stopped. These steps refresh the software layer that translates hardware signals into usable Bluetooth connections. Finally, pair the device and lock down power settings so connections remain stable. In Bluetooth settings, add the device or remove and repair a stubborn one. Pairing recreates the secure link. Make sure in Device Manager, the adapter's Power Management tab does not allow the computer to turn off the device. If you still struggle, run the built-in Bluetooth troubleshooter and then reboot. That often resolves lingering state issues. Troubleshooting tip: try a different device to isolate whether the PC or peripheral is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.